how to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to create a Gmail account without phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Google, or you can also just simply search for Gmail. After that, go with the top which has that profile icon. Now tap on add another account. From here, tap on Google and then verify, enter your fingerprint or your face lock. Then you'll see this kind of interface. Now go with create account, which will be in the left side, and go with for my personal use. And here you need to enter your name. So enter your first and last name. Go with next and enter your month, date, and year of your date of birth. And then enter your gender. Go with next again. Now it will ask you to create a username. So go and create a username, whichever you like. And then go with next. It will ask you to create a password. Just simply go and create a password. Enter a password. Make sure that it has a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And once you create your password, just simply go with next and your account will be created. It won't ask you for your phone number, but even if it asks for the phone number, you can just simply skip that part because we don't need phone number to create a Gmail account. You can create a Gmail account without using your phone number as well. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.